Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell if you're following my channel, we're having a little bit of Chanel fever, have to be honest. Definitely obsessed, always been obsessed. No need to give reasons. You guys already know all the amazing reasons why everyone loves Chanel. Today we're doing a video which is to celebrate the 100 years of Chanel 5. And I'm so happy that Chanel did this 100-year anniversary with such a big bang, and they gave everyone the opportunity to have some of these pieces as collectibles, dues, and to enjoy. There's so many people that, you know, really love Chanel and they love collecting Chanel pieces. And then there's people who admire the brand. I'm going to share some of the pieces that I got from the Chanel Factory 5 collection. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my hands on most of the pieces that I wanted, but I think I did pretty good. I still got a lot of the pieces that I personally wanted. I wasn't just grabbing everything and anything. And I think I did go in a little too late. I didn't think they were going to sell out so quickly. And by the time I was able to head to one of the stores or pop-up shops, I was a little too late. You can definitely tell those counters were empty. But anyways, I'm really happy with what I was able to score, and I was told that they might be releasing some other pieces. I'm not sure how true that is, but one of the essays did tell me that, so don't hold this accountable, but that's what I heard, and she said that's what she heard. She doesn't know 100%, but to check back at a specific time. I'm not going to share that or share the essay that mentioned it, so please don't come at me for that. I'm not going to do it. Okay, so first off, I did want to show you guys like the cutest, tiniest Chanel shopping bag. Yeah, I'm a little crazy, I know, but I'm sorry. This is so adorable. Like, I literally feel like I will probably collect this piece. Okay, all right, shall we just jump into it? I think I made you guys wait too long. Let's jump into the biggest bag here. And they, you know, nicely wrapped it with a bow. Just give you guys the full aesthetic of my little shopping bag. So I kind of want to start with the little gift. Oh, let's try to see if I can, I'm going to try to see if I can balance this here. Okay, doing it so far. So they did give me this little gift, which is really nice. Very cute. It's like the Chanel Factory 5 posters, and I believe each location has their own. This one was this one was the Newport location, and I did purchase from 2 locations. How beautiful is this? I'm going to definitely put this in a frame and frame it up. It's on a really nice canvas paper, so it's their poster, and this is, I believe, the body cream. Lovely. And I love the blue. Oh my goodness, ocean vibes for sure. Let me put this nicely in. So yeah, I'm definitely going to put this up maybe in my background. I've been wanting to put photos in my background. I just hate making holes in the walls, and I'm not sure if I'm like the best at it, so we're gonna have to see if my husband has those skills. I think he does, so we'll make him do it for me. Okay, and then another, I'm just showing you guys like the fun stuff that they gave me, which is so amazing. This is the Factory 5 collection little coloring book. They told me you can give this to your son to color it, but of course I wouldn't. Come on. Of course, you know, he can do whatever he wants with his coloring books, but this is Mama's coloring book. I mean, how cute is that? It's like adorable. It's all of the lovely Factory 5 pieces, and if you ever wanted to color it yourself, you can. But I have a feeling after my son is, you know, done coloring it, he might just rip it. So that's the book. I'm sure many of you guys have seen it. And then these are all of the Factory 5 collection pieces, just so that you can have if you wanted to order in the future, or if they restock, which I'm not quite sure. A lot of people are saying no. Some people are saying they might. So honestly, who knows? Oh, nice. I have the essay's information here. Okay, let's take out this lovely lunch paper bag that they put it in. So beautiful. I'm going to try my best to like collect these stuff. I know you might think I'm a freak. So this one, like I said, is from Newport. So the sticker, it says Newport Beach. And let's open it. Okay, nice. So they nicely wrapped it in the Chanel white paper. Ta-da! So I purchased the Le Gel, the sparkling body gel, and I'm not sure if this one was supposed to be like one of their displays and it was just like an extra and they're selling it because people want it, because it says to be removed before display on Linear. So yeah, I don't know, but anywho, this is what it looks like, and I love how it's like in a tin container. So after you are done using this, you can always just kind of preserve it for aesthetic purposes. I don't know if it's reusable, if you're able to reuse it, but there you go, guys. How lovely is that? And I've tried it, it's really nice. And it definitely has, all the products have like a different Chanel 5 scent, if that makes sense. Like some of them are stronger, some of them are not as strong, and they give out different notes. So, but overall, of course, it's still Chanel 5. You're going to smell Chanel 5. So if you're not really a big fan of Chanel 5, you don't really use it, try to get the ones that you feel like are not so strong and they're pleasant, you know, to be used. Okay, so this one is the Chanel 5, the soap, and I knew right off the bat, like this was one of the things on my list. I really did wish I got more than one, to be honest with you guys. It comes in a tin container and you can always use this container for later and put things in it. You can always utilize it. So I think I might go and grab a couple more. They might be available. I'm not sure. I'll ask one of the essays. Let's see who can score this for me. Oh, so hard to take the sticker off. And I really loved the scent for the soap. So luxurious, so classy, and it has Chanel No. 5 on it. It's like a pinkish color. It's like a very light pink color. Oh, the sticker is getting in. And it's nicely packaged, very beautiful, and I love the smell. I think I have to get more. No. I made a mistake, guys. I should kind of like stock up on these, because I would definitely like imagine to put like one in my bathroom, one in a guest bathroom, you know, just to kind of also have it there for the scent purposes. Like it is definitely going to give, like it's going to keep giving scent wise if you just place it there nicely. You guys, it's just phenomenal. Oh, and the lovely essay did put some samplers for the perfume and other things. I think I like already opened it up and used it. But yeah, I think like they were kind of out of a lot of samples. Okay, so the last piece, and like I said, I still have hope that I'm going to be getting more. I know this isn't a lot, but it's very exciting still. The last piece is this twist perfume and the little packet. I'm gonna open this, guys. I'm definitely going to be using this. This is the twist perfume. Love the color, love that it's like black and white, classic Chanel, and of course the whole theme of the Factory 5. You'll never get this again, guys. Or maybe you might, I'm not sure. Maybe you might come back in the seasonal, because I know they do come out with these perfumes, but I don't know if it'll be like in the same, maybe it will be, I'm not sure. I feel like I've seen it. But anyways, you can pop this out, you can refill it, which is nice. Refill it and use it. You can also maybe, I'm not sure, use it for other perfumes as well, but I feel like you should keep it as an iconic. Let's just spray it, why not? In one of my perfume videos, somebody said, you're not supposed to rub it. And I was like, I didn't rub it. I just tapped it so that I can get the scent kind of mixing in with my skin. And I believe you do have to kind of do that. So don't come at me, guys. I'm going to definitely, you know, use this and throw it in my bag. Kind of always have it. It's such a beautiful, iconic piece. And I might even splurge and buy the black ones as well. They come in black and white and they're larger, but this one is just so cute. It's so purse size. It's like, it will fit in your tiniest handbag, no worries. So I think I did pretty good. I think I could have done better, of course, if I did head out there earlier and score these pieces, but overall I'm absolutely happy with these, and hoping and waiting to see if I will be able to score more or newer pieces that are coming out. Who knows? We don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to not miss any of my videos and updates. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Let me know if you guys love this video, and I will see you guys soon. Love you guys all. Bye-bye.